Okay.
This is going to be Bumblebee.
All right.
It is Bumblebee.
Good job, Shannon.
Thank you. I'll be here all day.
All right.
I'm keeping those duplicate kisses.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open Bumblebee up here. It does come with a little checklist inside, which I'm not going to show you because then you'll be surprised who the other three are if we find them. But here is Bumblebee, one of my second favorite Transformers. Optimus Prime is my favorite. And the only reason why I like Bumblebee is because of the movie.
Bumblebee movie or Transformers movie?
The original Transformers. Well, really either. I like Bumblebee, the character, in the movies. I just like the... I don't know. I like that he can't talk and he plays the radio to speak to you. I just think it's really cool. So, Bumblebee. I hope
Bumblebee.
See. Make sure you guys can see him really well because he's awesome.
All right, there's the 5 Transformers from the Kisses Treasure Surprise.
Good job getting all 5, Paul.
It's amazing.
I'm impressed.
I am too. Okay, I'm impressed with the quality of the figures. The size is small, but the detail is really neat. And you immediately know who these characters are.
And you can immediately see their size now that there's a Hershey Kiss there for reference.
That's true.
So if you want to know how big they are, they're 1.5 Hershey Kisses tall.
There you go. Okay, Shannon, let's pick a favorite character and a favorite Hershey Kiss.
Okay. My favorite character, I'm going to go with Optimus Prime.
Okay.
The leader of them all.
Optimus.
And I'm going with this bag of Hershey Kisses right here.
Okay.
That one's the best.
That's a good one. All right, I'm going to pick... This is tough. I'm going to go with Megatron as my favorite. I love those purple, like dark blue purplish boots that he has. That's my favorite figure.
You just like him because he's in a heavy metal band.
I do. My favorite Hershey Kiss is going to be...
Which one?
It's going to be this bag, this
That
second one in right there.
Okay.
That one. How about you guys? Which one of these did you like the best? Leave a comment down below. Let us know. Leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit the share button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That'll make you part of the PS Toy Reviews crew where you can never have enough duplicate Hershey Kisses. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.